Let's look at these trolls. Let's look at the crowds they pull and the businesses they support. Maybe it'll inspire you to do something creative for your town to draw those extra tourists in. I mean, just look at how successful these trolls are. It takes something special to get people out in the middle of the woods to look at a statue. You know, one of the interesting things about this is how probably hundreds an hour are willing to come and visit statues that are in the forest, maybe a mile deep, you know, with their family and kids and everything. And it just kind of goes to show that the more interesting something is, the more people are willing to take part, go through the extra effort. Another thing we saw was a vendor selling troll t-shirts, and there doesn't seem to be a lot of capitalization on this yet. You know, the local restaurants and eateries and that type of thing are obviously going to benefit, but the direct capitalization of a trailer selling t-shirts, good for them. I'm sure they're going to, profit greatly on a high margin item like that, and just goes to show how tourist attractions, and especially the more interesting, the better. You know, it's one thing to have a sculpture park. It's another thing to have troll statues that have a mystery that you have to riddle clues and then go find each location in the middle of the woods, and then a whole nother secret that after visiting all of them you can piece together the final statue to go visit. Quite something.